Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a nail haul. So I picked up these tips because I like the curved tips, and these were the only ones that I could find in clear. And then I have these Kiss long tips in natural, and it's the Empress curve. I have this. This is a rhinestone picker. It's like the crystal katana. I picked up this gel brush, and it was a lot smaller than what I thought, so I should have paid attention to the sizing. But this is what the brush looks like, and it has its own protective little cap. And then that's the size. I picked up this. And this is a tip holder. Well, not a tip holder, but a bit holder. This is going to hold all of my drill bits. So I picked up some chrome powders. This is just like your regular holographic chrome powder here. And then I picked up a copper one. And this one came with hardly any product in it. I have it in green. I have it in like this fuchsia pink. And then I have it in blue. I picked up these stones. And I don't know what they're called, but I have these to try. And then these crystals here, I was very disappointed in, but I'll go ahead and still show them. So I have this pack, and it's the multicolor. And it came in this type of packaging, and I just put it in these, so that's that. I have it in this blue color. And they're just mixed sizes. This was supposed to be red, but it's like orange. I have it in clear. And I have it in this pale pink. And then I picked up these stones. I have them in a size 6. And they're just the AB. I got it in 8. And then I also got them in this color. So you guys, that is it for my small little nail haul. If you guys want to see more of these type of hauls, then let me know down below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you all in the next video.